The number 1.
The kid has a big, deep,
Mm?
deep,
Mm?
ay, deep,
Pit.
ay, deep.
Ulit.
The kid has a big, deep,
Pit.
ay, pit,
Ayan ah.
pit,
May kasamang T. Pit.
pit.
Ulit.
The kid has a big, deep,
Baliktad. I. Pit.
ip,
Pit. O, pa, pe, pi. Na may kasamang T. Pit.
pit.
O, ulit.
The kid has a big pit.
Okay, number 2. Tandaan mo yun.
Is
Tigas.
ding in the pit.
Okay, number 3.
Teams
M ang kasama.
teams big
Mm.
is
Is.
big.
Okay, 4.
He won.
Mm.
He wants
Mm. Wow, where we. N plus S.
win
Very good.
in the race.
Ulit.
He wins the
Mm.
he wins in the race.
Okay, number 5.
Jill wants
What's that?
wins a play. A
Papepi.
pin
Ulit.
pin.
Ulitin mo yung sentence.
Jill
Jill.
wins a pin.
Hmm?
Pin.
Okay, ulit.
Jill
Jill na naman. Ulit.
Jill wins a pin.
Okay, 6. Kada mali mo, ulitin talaga natin.
The teams
Oh.
the
Tip.
tip of the hill is far.
Okay, ulit.
The tip of the hill
I-sound mo agad.
is
Ulit.
far.
Okay. Huwag mo kakalimutan i-sound. Next.
Kids
Okay.
lips are red.
Diretso basa.
Kids lips are red.
Okay, next. May kasamang S.
His pin
May kasamang N.
pin
Ulit.
pins is big.
Ulit.
His pin
His ba?
is big.
Ulit.
His pin is big.
Very good. Next, number 9.
The big pin is mine.
Ulit.
The big pin is mine.
Next, number 10.
He has a big lips.
Again.
He has
Hubs na.
he has
Mhm.
he
I-sound mo agad.
he
Huwag ka nanguhula.
has
Again.
he has he has
Walang V dyan.
has
Okay, again.
he has a big lips.
Again, ulitin mo. Kapag medyo doubt ka, duda ka sa basa, huwag mo kalimutan mag-sound. Ganun. Ulit.
He has a big lips.
Lalo na pag umairal yung pagkaulyanin mo. Okay.